What is up, guys? And I'm bringing back a video. I will be right back. And today we're gonna be looking at my social blade. Yeah. I'm making a video. All right. Well, here we go. Holy crap! What is this? All right. Here's my channel. I got 7 subscribers, 209 video views. Holy crap! My average estimated earnings 0 per day, 0 per month. That's so funny, bro. I only do it for entertainment, guys. I don't do it for money. I'm not a digger or whatever they call them. Gold digger. Actually, no, that's for the. I don't know. I know. I've done it. But that's my social blade. No. Oh, nice. I uploaded a new video earlier. Why do I sound so different? Oh wait, it's done. Wait. We're gonna be playing bike race. Yeah, blah blah blah. Single player. Yeah, I know. Let me just that. Alright, desert. Let's go. I'm just a beginner, so don't judge me, guys. Let me move that bubble thing right there. I know how to play this game, okay? Yeah, I know. Yes, I know. Dang it, start. No. Oh. Swish. I be dabbing on them haters. Crap. You just mad about your haters, hey. Oh crap. Boom, booyah. Next level. Swish. Wait, twist. No. Oh, that was bad. What? I'm a living god. Oh! I'm recording a video. No. Oh, no, let's save though. Oh, that double save. No. No. I'm a living god. Sleep. Alright, this is going to be the last level of the day, guys. This is going to be a short video. We're going to make more later, so yeah, just enjoy this hot day, bro. Ah! Holy crap. No, you don't want to go over it. Holy crap, no. Oh. I did horrible that match. But if you guys want to see more content like this, make sure you drop a like, and I will see you guys next time. Peace!